it's your boy Will. I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be about me changing out my power steering belt and my alternator belt on my 1964 Chevrolet Impala, 6'4" Impala, photo sedan, photo post. You see it. Because in order to change this belt out, you gotta take out this, all right? And so how you do this is by this bolt right here, the bolt right there, and it's one at the back, I believe. I never changed it, so try to get y'all some light down there. Yeah, it's behind here. So right here where my finger is at, right there. Let me put it over here. So right here, where my finger's at, it's one right behind the power steering reservoir that you take off. And I think for this one right here, just unloosen it. And then the other one, you unloosen it too, where you can just push that power steering pump to the left. That's all you gotta do. Move it over to the left a little bit. Take the power steering off, right? The power steering belt off. Now for the alternator belt, you have to take that power steering pump belt off. You have to. Because you see how it's routed? It's routed behind here. And you make sure you don't route it over here, because you see it's gonna rub the power steering pump and it's gonna break the belt. So in order to do that, it's real simple. Look at this. Look at this wire exposed right here. It's crazy. Can't believe I did that. Need my butt whooped. So right here, I think this is a 13mm bolt right here that I have on here. I made myself. But it's pretty simple and easy. I put 2 on the back of here to keep it locked and secure so it don't mess up over time. So just unscrew them at the back. Probably just loosen them up. Loosen this up. I have changed this alternator before. I changed to this connection here instead of the complicated system it was at first. So just unloosen these up and slide the alternator over. It'll slide over a lot. And once you do this, you'll be able to take this right off. I'm talking about right off. So that's how you do it. So I'm just gonna change it. I'm not gonna video it. Just gonna change it out. If I run into some problems or some good tips for you guys, I'll film it and I'll show you guys. All right. All right, so today is the next day. And I got the belt on so I can show you guys. Look at it. Brand new belt. I did start it already, that's why you hear it. Get it warmed up because it snowed here. But only thing that I had a problem with is at the back. And this is the solution right here. Using this tool right here, a size 14, it's very, very helpful with this when it comes to this, because you got less room up in the back. And this one here just fit right in the back. And I was able to undo that bolt. I undid this one right here. That one right there with my hand touching the tip. And I just pushed it over a little bit, close to the balancer right there. And it just came right off. And then I was able to put the alternator belt on first, which is very easy, because I had this one off, which is very easy. And then I put the bottom on, the power steering belt on, which is very easy. So once I got that on, I tightened this one up first. So I pushed this alternator to the side like it is, then tighten it up. The belt is very tight. You guys saw before what it was. The belt is tight. It's okay to have this much of play in it right here, which is good. But remember, at first I was pushing it and it was coming way over here because it had too much slack in it. The power steering belt is real tight, and that's good because we need that for our power steering. So yeah, that was it. Once I did this one, put this one on first, and then I did the power steering belt. I tightened the back one up first. That's what I did. I tightened the back one up first, and then I tightened that one up last. It came tight, and it's running good. I made sure it got warm. It's very nice. Sunday, I got a video coming for a car show. Well, it's a car meet. We're gonna go there, participate. It's just a cars and coffee thing that we do here in El Paso a lot. That's just about it. So be on the lookout for that video. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all be safe and take care.